been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Hey, good morning, William fam, or should I say almost good afternoon. Your girl is here. I've been cleaning from morning, and guess what I am doing? I am packing. Yes, I am packing, guys. Yes, I am packing. So I'm starting to pack. I had to wash out some stuff and her packing, but I guess my hubby gone to get some stuff done. I think he's gone to clean the car and stuff like that. So I've been here packing and just cleaning up a bit. You know, it's that time. Got a nice little surprise for you guys. Yeah, so it's time to pack. We are leaving, but we're leaving the kids them behind. Yeah, so we're leaving the kids them behind, but we're packing. I still have Mario stuff to go through and pack up, so I'm currently going through our closet right now and getting things packed. So yeah, we're getting packed and ready to go. I gotta go fix my hair as well. I got a few other things that I gotta do as well. We bought up some stuff yesterday as well. Like I said, we went shopping. I don't think the vlog was too long. I couldn't show everything in the vlog, but we bought up some stuff and we were packing and stuff like that. So we had to go in town and grab a few things to take with us. So but we're packing, so we are off to tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. I'm not sure what we are doing today. We're just kind of just cleaning up, and I have a few things to do. So I'm gonna finish pack, and then I'm going to clean up, do my hair, and take a shower. And yeah, I think we're just probably doing a chill day today. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so we're just doing a chill day. We're not doing too much, and we have not worked, well, since we have decked the house. We haven't done any work on it. Mario's been out helping others with their house project and stuff like that, and doing some window work and stuff for some people and stuff like that. So we haven't really been doing much, but at least we did take a break from the house as well, because it's needed. Mr. Williams definitely needs a break, and I need a break as well. So that's what we're doing. But I'm going to go finish pack, and maybe I'll come back later. If I don't come back later, then I will catch you guys in tomorrow morning's vlog. And don't mind the look. I am like all sweaty because I was cleaning up the yard and stuff and sweeping and just doing everything, changing sheets, all that stuff I was doing. So gotta tidy, and I still have to iron a couple of things as well. So that's what we're doing, guys. That is what. Hey guys, so I am still here ironing. I'll be here ironing clothes from Lord knows. I washed out a few things, hang them up, but your girl has been here ironing. I haven't even showered yet, and my hair is not done. Yeah, so because I gotta fix my hair, it's not done, but your girl, I'm just here ironing, like sweating like a pig. It's just ridiculous, but I just wanted to come by and, you know, say what's up. I'm still, what I say, doing the dirt. I don't even know what that means, but anybody know what that means? It's just a phase, a saying that I hear people say that, yeah, just do the dirt. So I'm here doing that because we did finish sweep up the yard and stuff like that, and I finished washing out and stuff, clean my shoes and stuff, white shoes and stuff, and now I'm just literally here ironing Mario's clothes. So because I finished ironing the stuff that I need, so I'm here ironing some of Mario's clothes. He's still getting the car fixed up and everything else. Well, not fixed up, clean. So he's still getting the car clean because the car needs a nice clean. So that's what he's doing. But like I told you, today my days just consist of packing, cleaning, getting the house organized and stuff like that, and just getting the kids them prepared with what they need to do and everything else. So I can't wait to go shower, and I still have a video I need to edit. Actually, I have 2 videos I need to edit and upload. But the internet, guys, I've been uploading a video from the other day, and it's taking, what, from yesterday? Yeah, from yesterday when I left, I've been uploading a vlog, and it's still not uploaded. It's taking forever. I don't know what's going on with the internet, but it's just been crazy, so bear with me. I'm sure I'm not the only one that's having this internet problem, but hopefully it will get better. It is wee hours in the night.
Ow,
And Mr. Williams is
red
playing
light.
around
Yay.
with the light. As
Make
you
it
talk,
red.
it makes noise.
Make it red.
Make it purple. See, switches
Make
colors.
it white. Yeah, make it purple, my favorite color.
Uh-huh. Mr. Williams,
Make it pink
turn on the light.
and purple.
Turn on the light. Okay, guys, so I just literally finished my hair. Mr. Williams is playing with the light. Like, I finished like ironing after 4. Y'all don't even want to know what time it is right now. It is so late, and Mr. Williams is just about to pack. Just about to pack. Well, he made dinner, which we just had some bread and callaloo, so that was just nice and simple. So I'm actually coming to sign off, and I guess I will catch you guys in the morning. Make sure, if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button that every time you upload a video, you guys will be the first to notify. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, where it's always the vibes over here. I hope you guys have a good night. Are you saying good night to the people then, Mr. Williams? You know, I said good night to the people then.
Good night.
Good night. Ah! What you lick me for? Eh?
See me, I come on sleep.
Say you say what?
So wait, that's all.
What is what for? That's somebody your stuff.
Where you do
So
that?
now he's going to go and finally pack after when I tell him say you need to pack and get himself showered and stuff. So I'm gonna go jump in bed and watch a movie till I fall asleep. Probably drop asleep before he finish pack and do what he needs to get done. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the William fam. First thing, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like up the video. Yes, welcome back, guys. We're currently here getting ready. We are leaving, so doing my last minute of packing because we are heading out just now. Yes, I gotta go curl my hair and then I'll get back when we're getting in the car. Guys, we are ready to go. Gosh, my hair took a little bit longer than usual, but I am ready to go.
What is that for?
What is that for?
Yeah.
For me to put on. Here, hang this up. For me to put on. Alright guys, so let me just grab the stuff and I will catch up with you guys when I get into the car. We are running late and I still need to go grab about a couple of things in town before I can't get it anymore. Alright guys, so we just left and we are heading off now. Oh, I didn't even get my photo that I wanted to get my thumbnail, but that's okay. But anyways guys, Lord, and my camera just literally dropped and cracked, so my screen is cracked. I couldn't have saved it because I picked up something else. It was either it or my laptop, and my laptop is a little bit way more expensive than my camera, even though my camera's been malfunctioning. But you know what, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. But we are on our way. I didn't even get to show you guys my fit, but if you'll make sure that you guys are watching me on Instagram, make sure you are following me, make sure you're following me on Instagram. So it's Shanika Williams. Huh? You want me to put it back?
Yeah.
Menino. Better? What? The clothes fell? Well, you didn't tell me, you didn't say something. You want to stop and see? You want to stop and see? You should have said something to me. Me feel so far away. I don't know what it is. I think that's what it is, because my legs aren't that long, so that's probably what it is. It makes me feel like I'm so far away. But guys, oh Lord, but I don't know. So yeah, we are on our way. It looks like it's about to rain. Bittersweet, but hey, really, babes. Yeah, yeah, plenty people them.
Huh?
Yeah, and on the people them. You're tired? Oh, this one got up early this morning and went to go help out a family member do some work, and yeah, pretty much got up and started doing some other stuff before I left as well. But the kids gotta finish what they're doing and execute it, and execute it well. So we are on our way. We will catch you when we reach further down. Yes. Oh gosh, yeah guys, so we just finally made it. We made it downtown, and we just ran into the store. We didn't even know that the store was locked at what, 12 o'clock, progressive lock. But kindly enough, there was a nice long lineup out there, so we were still able to actually go in and get what we had to get. Yeah. Oh, look at this person here. I don't know what they're doing. Really? So wait, where is he going? A swing in a swing around? What? So we are off now. Yes, we will catch you when we reach where we are going.
A lot of rough fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me couldn't be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day.